This is how entrepreneurs cultivate creativity. 1. Why does entrepreneur engage in activities that stimulate their creativity? Entrepreneurs are known for their innovative ideas and ability to think outside the box. They constantly seek ways to improve their businesses and create new opportunities. One way they do this is by engaging in activities that stimulate their creativity. These activities help them generate fresh ideas, solve problems, and think critically about their businesses. Engaging in activities that stimulate creativity allows entrepreneurs to approach problems from different angles and find unique solutions. When they expose themselves to new experiences and ideas, they expand their knowledge base and gain inspiration from unexpected sources. This can lead to breakthroughs and innovative approaches to their business challenges. Furthermore, stimulating creativity can help entrepreneurs see the bigger picture and think long-term. By stepping away from the day-to-day operations of their businesses and engaging in creative activities, they can gain a fresh perspective. They can zoom out and see the broader trends and opportunities in their industry, rather than getting caught up in the minutiae of daily tasks. Another reason why entrepreneurs engage in activities that stimulate their creativity is that it helps them differentiate themselves from their competitors. In a crowded marketplace, being innovative and creative can set a business apart from the rest. By constantly seeking new ideas and approaches, entrepreneurs can stay ahead of the curve and offer unique products or services that appeal to their target audience. Additionally, engaging in creative activities can boost an entrepreneur's problem-solving skills. When faced with challenges or obstacles, they can draw upon their creative thinking abilities to come up with creative solutions. This lateral thinking can lead to out-of-the-box ideas that may not have been considered otherwise. In conclusion, entrepreneurs engage in activities that stimulate their creativity because it enhances their problem-solving abilities, helps them differentiate themselves from competitors, and allows them to see the bigger picture. By constantly seeking new ideas and approaches, entrepreneurs can drive innovation and stay ahead in their businesses. So, whether it's through art, reading, or brainstorming sessions, stimulating creativity is an essential part of an entrepreneur's journey. 2. How does entrepreneur engage in activities that stimulate their creativity? In this part, we're going to explore how entrepreneurs engage in activities that stimulate their creativity. As entrepreneurs, they constantly face the challenge of generating fresh ideas and thinking outside the box. To keep their creativity flowing, they employ various techniques that help stimulate their minds and uncover innovative solutions. Let's dive in and discover some of these activities. One way entrepreneurs stimulate their creativity is through continuous learning. They understand the importance of acquiring new knowledge and skills to broaden their perspectives. By immersing themselves in books, online courses, or attending workshops, they stay updated with the latest trends and ideas in their industries. This exposure fuels their imagination and allows them to approach problems with different viewpoints. Furthermore, entrepreneurs embrace curiosity as a driving force for creativity. They constantly ask questions, explore different angles, and challenge existing assumptions. This inquisitive mindset opens doors to new possibilities and helps them uncover unique solutions. They seek inspiration from diverse sources such as art, science, nature, or even conversations with people from different backgrounds. All these interactions serve as a catalyst for their creative thinking. Entrepreneurs also understand the power of collaboration. They actively engage with their team members, bouncing ideas off one another, and encouraging open discussion. By leveraging the collective intelligence of their team, entrepreneurs harness a synergy that amplifies their creativity. They create an environment that fosters collaboration, where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and contributing to the brainstorming process. Taking breaks and stepping away from work is another essential activity entrepreneurs engage in to stimulate their creativity. They recognize the importance of rest and allowing their brains to recharge. Whether it's going for a walk in nature, meditating, or pursuing hobbies unrelated to work, these breaks free up mental space and promote fresh insights. Often, it's during these moments of relaxation that entrepreneurs find inspiration striking and ignite their creative sparks. In conclusion, entrepreneurs engage in various activities to stimulate their creativity. They prioritize continuous learning, embrace curiosity, harness the power of collaboration, and take breaks to recharge. By incorporating these practices into their routines, entrepreneurs ensure that their creative juices are always flowing. So, whether you're an entrepreneur or simply looking to enhance your own creativity, try implementing some of these activities into your life and watch your imagination soar. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this information valuable. Until next time, stay curious and keep those creative juices flowing.